Hi, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions. I have a quick tip on better performance with ReelMatrix. Sometimes we get calls, people thinking that their handles are not working properly because they're unable to tighten or loosen the reels. What is happening is that they're not maintaining proper control of the handle and reel. So you see the little splined center part of the reel and the splined little end of the handle. Those have to be engaged with one another, and then you retract the ball, and then as you tighten or loosen, you're turning the ball. Maintain finger pressure on the front of the ball, pulling back towards the palm of your hand. Pressure in this direction so that you're holding that ball back and you're holding the reel tight up against the instrument. And in that fashion, you can easily tighten that down without having it disengage from the handle. And then of course, to loosen, I can spin the ball the other way and apply pressure outward. Okay, so just maintaining proper pressure, handle pressure on the tightening ball, and that will hold that reel in place and not let it slip.